everyone, it is Cassey's channel, and you can see Cassey's blowing some balloons, and if you looked at the title, or if you hadn't seen the title, we're blowing up balloons.
Okay.
Blowing
So
balloons.
we're trying to decorate for Cassie's birthday, and as usual, we're gonna be making the unicorn theme. So these are the different balloons that we're gonna be making for later. Okay, so let's do it.
Let's go. So let's start it. Big versus little.
Yeah,
If
this
I have
one
little. That was nice. Look at.
only this balloons here, guys. Okay, guys. But the one that you made was actually too big.
Look, it's straight.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah, yeah, because we're gonna be doing a lot.
Can I try?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the big balloon. Mama.
That's too small, I think. Is the TV on? Oh, is someone else here?
Right here. We have so many balloons that it's overfilling this whole place. So we made all these balloons.
You guys are gonna pop it. Okay, come on, let's get ready because we're gonna decorate it now.
My favorite one is this one, and this one's super nice.
Yeah, actually, this in here it looks blue, but that is actually dark purple. Okay, let's get ready. We're gonna connect it.
We finished it, and it looks like a dragon. So long.
Okay, there you
It
go.
looks like a long desert centipede.
Okay, now let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go there.
Like
Ito na. Lagay na namin yung mga balloons. Okay, hold on. Yeah, but I will still set it up tomorrow, babe. So I will finish this tomorrow, okay? So, ito na, ito na yung decoration namin. But it's not done yet. Tatapusin ko yan bukas. So, we're back here, guys. Kasi, ipapack namin yung mga party favor ni Cassey for her birthday. So, we have the party favor bag. You can pack one. Tapos yung ilalagay namin, ito, sing-sing na unicorn. May iba't ibang kulay. May purple, may blue, may pink, at saka, what's the other one? I think only that. 3 choices. Tapos, may keychain. Keychain na unicorn din. Unicorn. Okay, so you pack one. Okay, I will give you one. Tapos, okay. Tapos ito, I don't know the name. What's the name of this one, Baba? No, this is like when you do like that.
oh,
Like
now
a
I get it.
bracelet or something, but I don't know the
Oh,
exact
it's a
name.
bracelet.
Yes, it is a bracelet. So, ito.
It's a snap bracelet.
Oh, it's a snap. And then, may mga tattoo din na unicorn. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly.
Look at it.
Tapos ito.
Also, you can also tie it.
Tapos,
if you want like that. And
may
also, you can put
rainbow
it
keychain.
Or if you don't have a backpack, you can put it in your pocket. Or you can just do this. Or you can put this
Which one? On your purse?
And this one.
Oh, that one.
And
Okay, we're gonna pack that one. And then we also
keep on running.
okay. And then we also have stamper. It's a unicorn stamper.
Is there pink?
Okay.
I know there's no.
There you go. So ito yung mga ilalagay namin sa party favor ni Cassey. Are you ready now? Okay, let's do it. Tapos, i-update namin kayo after namin magawa na to. Ito na yung cake na ginawa ko para kay Cassey. Ang unicorn cake. Hindi to ganun ka ganda. Medyo mahirap siya. Pero, okay na rin. Pangkain lang naman to namin. So, ayan. Ito naman yung cupcakes.
Talking it? Is this the video store?
Yeah, I just started it. Make a circle, babes, when you do that. Oh, look at Kuya. He's combining 2 colors right now.
Can't do it.
You can't? So, here's our birthday girl. How old are you?
6.
6? Are you sure? You're 6? Sure ka?
Sure,
Sure yun na good ka, B? Okay, so ito yung prepare ko last night. So ito yung cake na ginawa ko. Tapos may mga lollipop. Very simple. Wala kaming bisita. We don't really have visitors. But she really asked for Alexa to come over and Anthony. So they're coming. Ito lang. They're on their way. Very simple. Tapos gusto lang talaga niya ng theme. Mahilig kasi siya sa mga theme. Next time, i-upload ko yung mga first nung 1-year-old niya until after, at saka yung ibang birthdays niya. Mahilig lang talaga kami sa theme. So, ito yung party favor. Tapos yung cupcake. 12 lang yung binake ko kasi may cake pa. So, ayokong dito kasi hindi kami masyadong naghanda ng sobra-sobra kasi ang ano is na ano na siya natatapon. So, most of the time yung asawa ko sinasabing, huwag tayong yogurt, pretzels, tapos unicorn plate for the cake. Yun lang, very simple. Yun lang, tapos mahilig din kasi ako mag-decorate para sa kanya kasi hindi ko naranasan to nung bata. So, ngayon, inaano ko talaga for Cassey. So, hope you have fun watching our video and later we're gonna be blowing the candles and sing a happy birthday song. We're just waiting for her friend Alexa. Happy birthday to you.
Hot chocolate.
Happy birthday to you.
Chocolate.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Chocolate.
Oh, sorry.
I couldn't get Sebastian off the car.
What's that?
I couldn't get Sebastian off the car.
Aww.
So delicious.
She wants Alexa to be here and Anthony, so we waited for them and I know you guys are busy too, so we just want to blow the candle right now. Happy birthday, Cass! Don't do that.
Happy birthday.
Hi guys, so it's Cassie's birthday. Tapos may surprise kami
not
for her.
really. One more day.
Yeah, I know it's gonna be tomorrow, but we're just gonna celebrate it today. Kasi tomorrow they have a class and then her friend Alexa can come only today, Sunday. So, iba-blindfold ko si Cassey kasi may surprise kami para sa kanya. So, we'll see. Do you like it? Huh? Are you happy? Okay, so okay. Oops. It's okay. Go back. Can you reverse though? Can you go back? She can? Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. It's a new Lano toy. That one is from me. The car is also from me and Dad. Okay, show that one.
Okay.
Yes. And we're gonna do that one later. Okay.
Mom, where's the other
Cool, huh?
gifts?
Are you kidding me? You funny. You're almost gonna hit me. You're funny. Okay. Oh no! Okay. Are you comfortable now driving? Huh? It's hot? Oh no. Okay. Go.